Welcome, today we're going to show you how to link your Delta Force account to PC. So this is the actual guide from Delta Force itself. As you see, there's actually two scenarios to link your account for cross progression. The first one is if you want to log into your mobile with your old LI Pass account. So from here you need to just log in with the same email on mobile and on PC. The second scenario is if you want to log in with a new third-party account like Google or something like that. You need to bind the new third-party account on mobile and in PC launcher. So if you want to do it like the first scenario, you need to just to log in with your email account on both devices. So all you need to do is to go to the account center from here. I'll see on the right, and after that you need to click on email and log in to your account. But if you are going to the second scenario, all you need to do is to go to bind an account from the account center, I'll see from here, and you can bind Discord, Line, X, Google or anything like that. After that, you can log in with the same account on your PC and that's it. Now you have transferred your progress into your PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.